Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a hamburger with eggplant, and this is very tasty hamburger. The meat is very tasty and the combination with the eggplant is great, and there is cream cheese which makes it even better. Well, it's a good hamburger, try it. The onion split into two parts. One part is going to go on the hamburger, and one part is going to go into the meat. So you're going to grind half an onion with some garlic and then add it into the meat. I added into the meat a spice that called chmeli suneli. This is a Georgian spice for meat, and this is amazing, but I don't think it's very easy to get. So in the meat you can add whatever you want, and for example you can add soy sauce, which would make the meat great as well. So you can add into the meat whatever you want. The red onion and the eggplant we are throwing into the oven. We put a little bit of oil on them and then we throw into the oven, and the temperature is 190 degrees, 375 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. But you need to be checking whenever there is a time for baking or cooking. It's basically suggestion. Don't take it as a law. You need to be checking whenever you're baking or cooking. I'm putting on the bun cream cheese and mayo, and obviously you can put whatever you want. So you can throw out the mayo and put ketchup or mustard or barbecue sauce or whatever. I wouldn't throw the cream cheese, even if it looks a bit strange, meat with cream cheese, and try it, it's good. If you don't like it, you don't like it, but I think the cream cheese is a good combination with the meat. So now you only left with putting the eggplant and the onion on the burger, and you are done. It's probably not the most appealing visually burger in the world, but it's amazingly tasty, so enjoy it.